Welcome to my channel. In this video, we define about the two-dimensional viewing in graphics. There are many graphics package that used to define object or picture in a output devices. In this class, we define the formal mechanism for viewing object or picture in a output devices. Output devices conceptually generally a Cartesian coordinate that has two axes x and y. A picture in a real world that defined in world coordinate, and it is mapped for the output devices for view purpose is called view coordinate or screen coordinate. In this topic, we define how we can map a world coordinate object into an output device's view coordinate object. That's why we need various mechanism. We already know 2D transformation, translation, rotation and scaling. They are used to transform 2D object into a graphics form. Here we also discuss another mechanism, that is deletion, cut, copy the portion of the image. That is, we select a image or object that used to mapped in a viewport. We need to select sub area or some portion of the image. That's why we need to delete, merge or copy the part. Clipping algorithms define how much area, sub area, part that is inside or not or outside the area need to be clipped or cut. There are various clipping algorithm. In this topic we discuss point clipping, line clipping, text clipping, polygon clipping and cut clipping. In this video we only define those point clipping and line clipping. In clipping algorithm so there are two coordinate, Cartesian coordinate. One is view windows and this viewport. Windows and viewport both are rectangular coordinate. A world coordinate where image or picture are selected for viewing is called window. Windows is a coordinate, rectangular coordinate that is used for select the view the object. World coordinate windows define what is to be selected. There is no range, that is it can be positive, negative or any decimal number. A viewport view coordinate it is also a rectangular coordinate that emphasis or encompass the world coordinate image into a output devices. It is generally a output coordinate. So, world coordinate define what is to be selected and viewport define where it to be displayed. It is always limited number. It may be positive, always positive, and it has some aspect ratio, pixel point, etc. It always emphasizes by the windows, and windows is mapped to the viewport. If there is picture, you show that world coordinate, you select a part of the portion of the image, that coordinate device coordinate, this is the viewport. We clipped the another portion of the region that's not used for the display. Here we display the portion. World coordinate define two part, xw mean, xw max, and yw mean, yw max. It's also mapped here xv max mean, xv max, yv mean, yv max. Here w means world coordinate, v means viewport. So here we need to transform, how to transform a world coordinate object, a large image, a large object, a large picture into a typical output devices or view coordinate. That's why you need a transformation or mapping. Let's a point that depends on the world coordinate. It is xw and yw. In this window, the map to the viewport xv and yv. After mapping, we always need to fix the dimension of the object or image. To transform this image or point into a world coordinate to viewport, we use the following equation. Suppose this ratio is always the constant and always remain unchanged. When we mapped an image from world coordinate to device coordinate, the ratio between x and y is always constant. That's why you need to follow the following equation. The xv minus xv min by xv max minus xv min is equal to xw minus xw min and xw max minus xw min. That is the difference between point x minus xv mins by xv max minus xv min is always remains constant in respect to world coordinate xw minus xw min and xw max minus xw min. It is similar for the y point. This portion always remains constant after the transformation. To keep the transformation constant, we need to cut or delete the portion of the image that is either inside or outside the specified region or viewport. We define an algorithm that used to help us to cut which portion of the object to be clipped to a windows is called clipping algorithm. Clipping algorithm define the process which part of the object or image needs to be cut or clipped for viewing purpose in the viewport. This mechanism is called clipping. There are various jobs related to clipping for the 2D image. We discuss about the point clipping, line clipping, polygon clipping, text clipping and curve clipping. First we know point clipping. A point means a pixel. That's one only dimension x and y. The point inside the window or not, it is defined by the coordinate. If we define a rectangular coordinate, the x min, suppose x min is 5, x max is 10, y min is 7, y max is 17. If we take the point 6, 12, we say that is always the windows, and 6 greater than 5 less than 10, 11 greater than 7 less than 17. But if we consider a point 13.9, 13, 19, that is not inside the, it is not inside the windows because x greater than 10, y greater than 17. So we immediately clip this point. So how can I determine which point inside the clip, which point not clipped, that is which point inside the window or which are not belonging to the window? There are 4 conditions. If x less than equals to x max or and x greater than x means, that is x belongs to greater than equals to x min less than equals to x max, and y belongs to greater than x min less than equals to greater than equals to y min less than equals to y max, then we must say the point is on the point on the viewport, that is not required for clipped. If the condition not satisfied, we must clip the point. Again we remember, always x depending the range greater than equals to x min and less than equals to x max, and y greater than equals to y min, y less than equals to y max. If these conditions by in this inequality is false, we must clip the point. Now next we define the line clipping. In previous chapter we know the various line drawing algorithm, DDA line drawing algorithm, Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. A line that it is joined to endpoint and imposes by the various number of pixels. We must determine which portion of the line outside of the windows and which portion or inside on the windows. The portion inside on the windows, we must keep this part of the line. So for line clipping we involve three-part case. We first test the line segment, determine which it is either completely inside the clipping window. If it is completely inside the window, that is the two endpoint belonging to the clipping windows, that is viewport, the endpoint inside the range of the windows, that is it's completely view. If number two, if the line 2 point is completely outside the windows, we must completely clip the line. And last, if some portion of the line inside or outside the clipping boundary, that's mean one point in the clipping boundary, another point in the inside the boundary, we needs to calculate the intersection point, and we only view the intersection point to inside point. There are many lines in this example. Here the inside the red lines completely inside the clipping window. This red line, one endpoint here, one endpoint here, only those segments are inside that. Now we clipped only this part. This line, this point to this point is the clipping window. See the mouse pointer, and there are defined various line point. Three parts we remember. If the line completely in the inside the clipping window, we did not clip. If the line completely outside the windows, we completely clip the line. If some portion inside or outside the boundaries, we need to intersection the clipping algorithm. There are various line clipping algorithm. Here we discuss about the one of the most important algorithm is called Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. This method is very simple and useful for line clipping algorithm, that very efficient algorithm. This algorithm define four digit binary code that neighbor to the clipping window. This is called region code. Each 4-bit position region code is defined the various region of the clipping window, and a 4-digit position but 4-digit region code specify right to left. Rightmost digit is the left, then next right, then bottom, then top, according to the figure. We consider bit 1, that's MS bit 1 LSB in right hand side, right to left. Consider right to left, rightmost is the bit 1, next bit 2, next bit 3, next bit 4. Bit 1 always indicate the left, bit 2 right, bit 3 below, bit 4 above. Here a picture shows the how to assign 9 region code. Middle 00 code 400, this is the clip window, original clip window, and 8 as the outside of the clip window. You see that the left part here 3 bit dots 1, that is bit 1 always left indicates. Above of the 00 windows lines, right leftmost one are all are 1, that is above position. 00 windows right bits second bit all are 1s, that is indicate right, and below the third bit you show that all are 1, that is below. So these are the left, this right, this above, this below, according to the relative to the 000 coordinate. 00 coordinate, this here the bit point. Now how to set or how to decode the region code. For any point xy, bit 1 is set to 1. Bit 1 is set to 1 when x less than xw min. This is the coordinate. This point xw min, this point xw max, and x it yw means this point yw max. Bit 1 set to 1 if x less than xw min. Bit 2 set if x greater than xw max. Bit 3 set y less than yw min. Bit 4 set if y greater than yw max. After establishing the region code of the line endpoints, we now quickly determine the line is completely inside the clip window or outside the clip window. If the region code for the both endpoints lines are 000, we must determine the line is completely inside the clipping window, that is it is accepted. If the line position have one bit wise in the same code, that is both endpoints are same as both ends. When suppose any line that's endpoints bit number 1 is both endpoints bit number 1 is both are 1, that is we define that line is completely above, so clipped it. If the line non-zero respect, if the line both endpoints define the and the difference region, then we need to a AND operation. AND operation define the how much portion of the line inside or outside the clipping window. After AND operation, if the result is 000, the line is completely outside. After AND operation is not 0, we need to clip the line according to the equation m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the algorithm. Step 1, we first assign a region for each point of the line. If both endpoints have 0, then accepted a line. Next part, otherwise we perform the AND operation for the both region code. If the result is not 0, then the line the reject. Else need to clipping and calculate the intersection point with the 4 boundaries. Let's take an example how to calculate the clipping boundary. Here we clip the line with endpoints A 12, 10 and B 8, 18. With respect to rectangle windows with vertices and 5, 10, that is one corner, leftmost corner 5, 7, rightmost corner 10, 7, topmost right left 1017 and topmost right 517. There are 4 coordinate there are, that is we say xw min is 5, xw max xw max so xw means 5, xw max 10, yw means 7, yw max 17. There are 4 points of the rectangular window 5, 10, 7, 17. Okay. Now we find the region code first for the A point. A line which has always have two endpoints. One is A, another is B. You consider as A, that is 12, 10. So here x is 12, y is 10. According to Cohen-Sutherland algorithm, we check x greater than x min, x less than x max, y greater than equals to y min, and y less than equals to y max. And this, after applying this condition, we set bit 1, bit 2, bit 3 and bit 4. So here we see that 12 greater than 5, so bit 1 is 0, because according to algorithm we see here x less than x min, then bit 1 is 1. So here x greater than x min, so bit 1 is 0. X is 12 greater than x max, bit 2 is 1. 10 greater than y min 7, that is bit 3 is 0, and 7, 10 less than 17, bit 4 is 0. According to these 4 conditions, here x is 12, x min 5, 12 less than 5, this false, so bit 1 is 0. 5, 12 greater than x max 10, it is true, that's why bit 2 is 1. 10 less than x y min, that is 7, 10 less than 7, it is false, that's why bit 3 is 0. And 10 greater than xw max, that is 17, it is false, bit 4 is 0. So the bit 1 is 1, bit 1 is 0, bit 2 is 1, bit 3 is 0, bit 4 0. That is the reason the region code is 0010. Similarly, we find the region code for B. Here x means 8, x is 8, y is 18. The 8 greater than 5, it is false. 8 less than 5, it is false. That is bit 1 is 0, bit 2 is 0, bit 3 is 0, and bit 4 is 1 according to the condition, according to the 4 conditions. So hence the region code is for the 1 is 1,000. Next we perform AND operation between A and B region code. If the after operation region code is, we check the AND operation according to the 0010 and 100. After this AND operation, logical AND, for this 4-digit region code, it must be 00. Must be 00. So some portion of the line may or may not be inside the window. We need to clip the line. Now we perform the intersection. We calculate the intersection point between the 4 boundaries according to the equation m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 by x2 minus x1, that is for any point x and y. We write the here for xy, we write x minus y equals to m into x minus x1, where m equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We use this equation for the line. Now we calculate first we calculate the m. Here m is minus 2. Since x1 is 12, y1 is 10, x2 is 8, y2 is 18. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, it gives the result minus 2. Now calculate the intersection for the left boundary, that is x equals to 5. So y equals to, x equals to 5, we calculate the value of y as y equals to minus 2, 5 minus 12 plus 10, according to this equation. M equals to y, according to the equation y1, y minus y1 is to m into x minus x1, that is y equals to 24. So the point is 5 comma 24. For the right boundary, x equals to 10, we again use the equations, that is value is 14. The point is 10 comma 14. For the above boundary, y equals to 17, we use the equation as according to the algorithm. Hence x equals to 8.5. So boundary is 8.5, 17. For the below boundary, y equals to 7, x equals to 13.5. So point is 13.5 on 7. There are 4 points: 5 comma 24, 10 comma 14, 8.5 comma 17, and 13.5 comma 7. Now we take the decision which part is inside the clipping window or which point is not the inside, which not inside the clipping window. Here 5 less or equals to x min and 24 not less or equals to x max. So I reject this point. 10, 14, 10 greater than equals to x min and less than equals to x max, and 14 greater than equals to y min less than equals to y max. So it is accepted. Another point 8.5, which 8.5 less greater than equals to x min and less than equals to x max, and 17 greater than equals to y min less than equals to y max. So it is accepted. And last point 13.5, which is greater than x max, so we reject it. So only 2 points is accepted, 10, 14 and 8.5. So we only we accept the line between this point 10, 14 and 8.5, and others part we clipped. Similarly, we find the to end by another line 2, 4 and 2, 20 for the same region of windows, and perform the logical. If then it gives the non-zero value, and then it enter the line is clip. Otherwise, give the 0, 0. We calculate the intersection point. Thank you.